Good morning. Today we will design a connecting rod using CATIA. The connecting rod is a device used in automobiles in an engine to connect the piston and the crankshaft. The name itself indicates that it is a rod which is going to connect the piston and the crankshaft, so it is called a connecting rod. The small end of the connecting rod is connected to the piston, whereas the big end is connected to the crankshaft. So the linear motion of the piston is being converted into rotary motion in the crankshaft via the motion is transferred by means of the connecting rod. So it is having a rod with a small and a big ends at its both ends. So let me design the connecting rod using CATIA. So this is the design diagram of the connecting rod, which is having small end as well as the big end. It will start with mechanical design, then part design. The dimensions are dia 25 and 35 at the small end, whereas radius 25 and 30 at the big end. Inside the sketch command, then we will draw a circle and make using the constraint symbol. The dimension is given as 35 mm dia. Make another one more circle and using constraint symbol, the dimension is changed as 25. So we will have dia 25 and 35 circles. It is closed. We'll go for constraint. We will use pad command and the dimension is given as 25 divided by 2. It is mirror action on both sides. So the small end is being made. Now going for the big end, we will have radius 25 and 30 with a distance of center to center, it is of 200 mm. Center to center distance 200 mm. Another one more dia is of 50. There are two half circle semicircles on the big end side. So we have to remove the extra part. Using mirror extend, we had made another one more line which cut exactly at the center. So we have to remove the half of the circle. This is a closed section. Now using pad command, we can add material with mirror extent of the same size, 12.5 mm on either side. So the big end of half size, half circle is been made. Now we have to join it, join the small and big end. We are joining the small and big end. So from the center, it is of 12.5 mm. The dimension is 22 from the big end. And using the 3-point arc, we will join the small and big end. The radius is of 30. So the radius is of 30, and we'll have a profile of 7 mm. We go for mirror extend with respect to the center, and we had made a profile on the another side also. Now using set analysis, we can tend to see it is of closed section now. We go for exit workbench, then using pad command, giving a dimension of 12.5 on either side with mirror extend, and we had joined the small and big end. So from the center, it is of 6 mm. Total is of 12, so we had made it as 6 mm on either side from the center. And now using fillet command, we can make fillet of radius 22 mm. Now over there is a dia of 6, the radius 6, then of dia is of 6 mm hole that we have to make. Radius 6, so dia is of 12. distance of 15. Now we'll make a circle of radius 6. Now the profile is of closed, so we can use the exit workbench. Then we can use pad command and reverse direction. And thickness of 15 mm. Use the mirror action command. And then the part is being made on another side also. It is being mirrored. And now a slot has to be made at the center of the connecting rod. The length is of 100. Dia is of 15. Center to center distance is of 100 mm. We will remove the half of the circle so that the profile is being made. Now we have to make a slot. The distance is 3 mm from the top. Using the whole definition, we are making a profile on the connecting rod. Now the same profile is being mirrored on the another side also. So now the connecting rod is designed using CATIA. Thank you.